Tonight, we're tracking a seismic shift in the American economic landscape. For decades, manufacturing jobs left for cheaper labor, but now, the tide is turning. A reshoring revolution is revitalizing historic heartlands and creating new hubs of innovation. We're counting down the 10 states leading this northern migration, revealing why they're winning, what it means for jobs, and the future of Made in America. Let's get started. We begin in Ohio, once a symbol of decline, now a model for industrial resurgence. Strategic incentives and a skilled workforce have attracted billions in investment. The massive Intel semiconductor plant near Columbus is just the start. Honda and LG are building a $4 billion EV battery plant too. Ohio's Jobs Ohio program streamlines regulations and offers targeted incentives, making the state a magnet for manufacturers of all sizes. From aerospace to consumer goods, Ohio is diversifying and thriving. The Buckeye State is setting the benchmark for America's industrial comeback. Subscribe to Space Matrix for more updates. Next, Michigan, where reinvention is electrifying the auto industry. The Make It in Michigan strategy is attracting next-gen manufacturing, especially in electric vehicles. Ford and GM are transforming historic plants for EVs, while battery giants like Gotion and One are building massive, new facilities. Michigan's edge-deep engineering talent, bipartisan support for economic development, and a robust auto infrastructure. Generations of expertise are powering the state's leap into the EV future. Michigan's industrial legacy is now its greatest asset. The race for the future is on. Pennsylvania is leveraging its strategic location and modern infrastructure to become a reshoring linchpin. Heavy investment in ports, rails, and highways makes it a logistics powerhouse for the Northeast. The state's universities and vocational schools partner with industry to train a skilled workforce for advanced manufacturing. Companies like EMD Electronics are investing here, citing talent and infrastructure. Pennsylvania's steady, pragmatic approach is paying off. Build the foundation, train the people, and the factories will come. Illinois' central location makes it the transportation hub of North America. With unmatched rail, road, and air connectivity, companies can source and ship goods efficiently nationwide. Major players like Ferrero and Lion Electric are building new facilities here, drawn by logistics and supply chain advantages. Illinois proves that in factory relocation, location is still king. The state's built-in advantages are attracting a new wave of investment. In the Midwest, Illinois is the crossroads where commerce converges. New York is quietly becoming a leader in advanced, tech-driven manufacturing. The Micron semiconductor plant near Syracuse is a $100 billion game-changer, creating tens of thousands of jobs. State and federal incentives, plus world-class research universities, are fueling a manufacturing renaissance. The NY Creates initiative and Albany's nanotech complex are turning R&D into real production. From semiconductors to green energy, New York is redefining what it means to make things in America. The Empire State is now a powerhouse of innovation and industry. The revolution is underway. Wisconsin is winning with specialization and a legendary work ethic. The state excels in machinery and food processing, attracting companies like Komatsu Mining and Haribo. A deep pool of skilled talent and a supportive business climate create a virtuous cycle of growth. Wisconsin's manufacturing ecosystem is a magnet for both suppliers and competitors. Playing to its strengths, the state is building on proven expertise. Wisconsin is America's new industrial workshop. Minnesota's secret weapon is innovation. Medical Alley is a global health tech cluster, home to giants like Medtronic and Boston Scientific. The state's educated workforce and research partnerships attract high-value manufacturers. Polar Semiconductor's expansion is just one example of tech-driven growth. Minnesota competes on quality, not just cost, making it a beacon for advanced manufacturing. The North Star State is guiding the future of American industry. Indiana's formula is simple: low costs, stability, and a business-friendly climate. With one of the lowest corporate tax rates and affordable operating costs, it's a magnet for billion-dollar projects. Stellantis, Samsung, and GM are building massive EV battery plants here. Indiana's skilled workforce and pragmatic approach make it a top destination for manufacturers. In the high-stakes game of factory relocation, Indiana's steady hand wins. The crossroads of America is open for business. Massachusetts is winning with brainpower and innovation. Elite universities and research institutions fuel a boom in high-tech manufacturing, from biopharma to robotics. The Boston-Cambridge area's talent density is unmatched, drawing companies like Moderna to build new facilities. The Massachusetts Life Sciences Center nurtures industry growth with funding and support. Robotics and automation firms are spinning out of MIT and WPI, helping manufacturers modernize. Massachusetts isn't cheap, but it's the best place to be at the intersection of technology, talent, and capital. The Bay State is where ideas become industry. Number 1 is Vermont, a surprising leader in specialty, sustainable manufacturing. Global Foundries is expanding in Essex Junction, producing next-gen chips for defense and EVs. Vermont's clean green image attracts companies seeking skilled, stable workforces and a high quality of life. The Made in Vermont label carries weight, drawing small and medium firms in food, outdoor gear, and artisanal goods. Vermont's growth isn't about scale, but high-value, specialized production. The state's unique character is its greatest economic asset. Vermont is rewriting the rules of American manufacturing. From Ohio to Vermont, American manufacturing is being transformed. This northern migration is a strategic shift, valuing resilience, talent, and innovation over cheap labor. States are competing fiercely, creating environments where modern industry thrives. Automation and reshoring are building a more resilient, sustainable industrial base. The new map of American industry is being drawn, and the lines point north. Stay tuned as this great migration continues to unfold.